Okay, let's see. There they are. That makes the better the light. There's your babies. They're getting the milky. Ain't that right, Kaykay? You got pretty babies, huh? Let's see all your babies. Let's see the babies. Come on. Helen, you want to hold this light up where I can get them? Hurry up. Come on. Any other time you're all over the place. Too busy getting Mama's milky right now. What you doing, Kaykay? Just hold the light up like that because it's dark.
And I didn't.
I got it filming. Okay, let me see if I can get some moving around. Yeah, but they might. Okay, come on, Kaykay, move over. Everybody wants to see the babies. There they are. There they are. Look how fat they are. Kaykay's a good mama. You good mama, ain't ya? She good mama. Look at this one here kicking into the leg. You getting your milky. Come on. Come on, you big old bully. Big old bully. They're all nice and fat. Yeah, and healthy. Yeah, Kaykay, you doing a good job. I'll let you go ahead and let them get their milk. We'll take their pictures later on. Bye-bye.